Good morning, class. Today we'll do lesson 3, Accounts of Partnership Firm Fundamentals. Now, in this chapter, we will learn methods of maintaining capital accounts. There are two methods to maintain capital accounts. The first is fixed capital method. Now, under fixed capital method, two accounts are maintained, capital account and current account. The second method is fluctuating capital method. Here only capital account is maintained. And today we are going to do fixed capital method. Let's see the format for fixed capital method. So first we are preparing partners capital account. Now this is a ledger account, so you have a debit side as well as a credit side. Now in the debit side you have date, particulars. Instead of amount we write the person's name, A or B. Then this side also date, particulars. Instead of amount we write the person's name in the amount column. Now in the capital account, in the credit side, by balance BD, that is opening capital account will come. Then if there is any additional capital, you write by bank account. So remember, in partners capital account only two items will be coming here. That is the opening capital as well as the additional capital. You add up, you get the total. This you bring it to the debit side as to balance CD, the closing balance. You write over here and then here you have to bring it back down once again by balance BD. And you have to put the amount here. So this is partners capital account. Now under the fixed capital method, you are preparing partners capital account as well as partners current account. So two accounts has to be prepared in the fixed capital method. Now let us see partners current account. The format, you have a debit side as well as the credit side. Now in the credit side, in the particulars column, you write particulars. In the amount column, you write the name of a person, A or B. Now remember always capital account, you have opening capital is always in the credit side by balance BD. Then by interest on capital account, by commission account, by profit and loss appropriation account. If it is a profit, it will come in the credit side. Then by balance CD. If the balance comes in the credit side, you will write by balance CD this side. Now let's see the debit side. To balance BD. Now sometimes in the question they will give debit. Then only you write away. Otherwise it is always in the credit side. By opening balance is always in the credit side. If they mention in the question debit, then you write over here in the debit side. To balance BD. Then to drawings account. To interest on drawings account. Then to profit and loss appropriation account if there is a loss. So if it is a loss, you bring it in the debit side. If it is a profit, you take it to the credit side. And then to balance CD. So this is the format for fixed capital method. Now let me explain to you the fixed capital method with the help of illustration 3. Now let's read the question. Pragatish and Naresh are partners who maintain their capital accounts under fixed capital method. From the following particulars, prepare capital accounts of the partners. So they are given as the particulars. They are given two people, Pragatish and Naresh. So the opening capital on 1st April 2018 for Pragatish is 4 lakh and this is 6 lakhs. So this is opening capital which will come under fixed capital method, that is partners capital account. Then you have current account. So this will come under partners current account. This is credit side. So it will go to the credit side and this amount for Naresh will come in the debit side. If it is an additional capital introduced during the year, so this again will go to the partners capital account for Pragatish, but for Naresh he will not enter anything. Then drawings made during the year for Pragatish is 45,000, for Naresh 60,000. Interest on drawings 2,000 and 3,000. Then you have share of profit. This is profit for the year 80,000 and then 1,20,000. Interest on capital 20,000 and 30,000. Then there is a commission. There's a commission to Pragatish 17,000 and Naresh there is nothing, nil. Salary for Pragatish is nil and for Naresh is 38,000. Now let's see the solution. So this is solution for illustration 3. First we begin with partners capital account. This being a ledger account, you have the debit side and you as well as you have the credit side. So you write date, particulars, name of the people Pragatish and Naresh. Date, particulars, Pragatish and Naresh. So by balance BD, that is opening balance, 4 lakh and 6 lakh. Now additional capital, you bring it down as by bank account. And then you put it over here for Pragatish. Naresh does not have, so you put a dash. Then this side you do not have anything. So what you do, you add up everything and you total up and put it down over here. So for Pragatish it is 4,50,000. For Naresh it is 6 lakh. Now this you bring to the debit side as to balance CD. Bring the total over here, 4,50,000 and 6 lakh. Total up over here. And then you get the by balance BD, 4,50,000 and 6,000. Now let's see the partner's current account. You have a debit as well as the credit side. And then date, particulars. Again you write the person's name, Pragatish and Naresh. Then date, particulars, Pragatish and Naresh. Now by balance BD, the opening balance for Pragatish, they have given as credit. Put it in the credit side. For Naresh, they did not give over here. So you put a dash. But Naresh opening balance, they have written debit. So you bring it to this side. To balance BD, Pragatish is dash and for Naresh 15,000. Then share of profit. So by PL appropriation account, profit 80,000 and 1,20,000. By interest on capital, 20,000 and 30,000. By commission account for Pragatish they are given 17,000 and for Naresh nothing, put a dash. By salary account for Pragatish put a dash and for Naresh you write 38,000. Now when you come to the debit side, to drawings account 45,000 for Pragatish and 60,000 for Naresh. To interest on drawings 2,000 for Pragatish and 3,000 for Naresh. Next what you do is you add up the credit side. When you add up for Pragatish, you get 1,37,000 and for Naresh it is 1,88,000. Bring the greater total to the debit side. Then you add up. For Pragatish, you are adding 45,000 and 2,000. So 47,000. From 1,37,000, you minus 47,000 and you get 90,000. Now for Naresh, you add up 15,000, 60,000 and 3,000. You add up all these three. Whatever answer you get, you minus from 1,88,000 and you get 1,10,000. This you write it over here as by balance BD 90,000 and 1,10,000. So that's all for today. Thank you.